Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dipbrow back again with another video for you guys. So today we have another dramatic eye makeup look going on for you guys. So today I have decided to do a glitter eyeliner, just like the last one I did a blue eyeliner. So today I decided to do a gold glitter eyeliner. Don't judge me, don't say the eyeliner doesn't match my jewelry because my jewelry is silver, but this is what I feel like wearing right now, so don't come for me. I really enjoyed creating this look for you guys. I love to challenge myself, and this was one of them. I'm not gonna lie, this is the longest I've ever shoot a video before trying to get this look to look perfect like this. This is the longest. I think I shot this video for like 3 hours. My sister kept telling me, are you not coming over? You're not coming over. I'm like, I'm coming, but I need to make sure this video is perfect. Since I haven't put a video up for like 3 weeks or 4 weeks now, almost a month, I decided like this video has to be like bang on, like dead on good. So that's why it took me so long to film this video, but at the end of the day the result is amazing. I'm happy with the way the look ended up, how it turned out. I'm proud of myself, and I hope you guys enjoy it and like it as you're watching it as well. As usual guys, don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Like I said already, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Don't forget to also subscribe if you know you're subscribed to my channel. It's easy to subscribe and it's free, and when you do subscribe guys, make sure you also hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever I upload any new video on this channel. Join the Dipbrow family. You never know the look that Dipbrow have coming for you. Like, she might disappear for a while, but when she comes hot. Oh, that sounds so wrong. That sounds so wrong, but yeah, you guys get where I'm coming from. But yeah, make sure you subscribe if you know you're subscribed to my channel. And without any further ado guys, I'm gonna let you guys go and we're gonna jump into this makeup look, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Okay guys, I've gone ahead to do my eyebrows as always. If you guys want to see how I ended up with this beautiful eyebrows right here, don't forget to check the description bar below. I'm going to be leaving the link to my eyebrow tutorial down there. So the first thing I'm going to start by doing as always is priming my lips, and I'm going to be using my Nivea Original Care Lip Balm. I'm going to be using this white gel eyeliner right here to prime my eyes, because the eye makeup we're going for today, we'll want it to be really opaque and bold. So I'm just going to place this all over my lid. Because this dries down so quickly, we're going to go in with our finger to blend it out quickly before it dries down. Our finger to blend this out as quick as possible. We don't want this baby to dry down on us, so we'll go in real quick. The first thing I'm going to start by doing is going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette, and I'm going to be picking up this mustard color right here. I'm going to be using this as my transition color today. I'm going to place this down right below our brow, okay, like so. Now we're gonna be going into my favorite palette. Like, I always use this. I'm sure some people will be like, is this the only palette she has? No, I have a lot of palette, but this is my favorite. I like reaching into this because of the colors. So I'm gonna be using my Claris Cosmetics palette today again, and you guys already guessed the shade I'm gonna pick. I'm gonna be picking up this orange right there, and I am gonna be placing this just right below the mustard color we just placed down, and I'm using a very tiny position brush. Okay. And I'm gonna stop right here. I'm going to go into my Too Faced Cat Eye palette right here, and the shade I'm going to be going for today, I'm going to be going for the black shade just right below at the bottom right there. So I'm going for the black shade. I'm going to be placing this all over my eyelid. So basically it's going right below the orange we placed down, and we're blending it as well into it. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be going into my NYX glitter primer. I'm going to be using this to line my eyes, but basically priming the area I want to put my glitter on. So by the way, the glitter that I'm using today is the Too Faced Pure Gold glitter. This is how it looks like right here. So that's what I am placing down all over my lid as my liner. I'm gonna grab myself a face wipe right here, and I'm just gonna make sure this wing is looking like a wing. So just gonna clean out any excess on fallouts underneath my eyes. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing. Anyways, I'm sitting like way too comfy at the back, so come a bit close so you guys can see, and we're making sure this wing is winged out nicely. Now that I'm satisfied with the way the eye makeup looks so far, I'm gonna do my under eye. So I'm gonna start by lining my waterline with my Model Earn Gel eyeliner. This is how it looks like right here, and it's black. Gonna go back to the Too Faced palette, the cat eye palette, and we're going into the black shade right there again. We're gonna use that to smoke our under eyes out. I'm gonna grab the tiny brush with the orange shade to smoke my under eyes out a bit more. We're basically mimicking what we already did at the top, at the bottom of our eyes. So that's what we're doing. Now I'm going to move on to my mascara, and today I'm going to be using my W7 Absolute mascara. I'm going to be applying this to my top lashes for now, and then when we finish doing our face, we're going to go back to it and apply some to our bottom lashes. My false eyelashes today, I am going to my Mink 3D false lashes I got from AliExpress. I'm going to be using this because it's extremely dramatic. So let's click our fingers and see what's going to be happening. So now guys, we're going to move on to the face. So today I'm going to be priming my face with the W7 Princess Potion. I think this is their dupe for the unicorn, oil. Okay, it says our fast absorbing complexion booster and primer works wonders on bare skin alone for a radiant complexion, or as the perfect base for your favorite foundation. So it's saying you can use it as foundation, it's saying you can just use it as a face primer or moisturizer, whatever, but I'm going to be using this to prime my face today. I'm going to shake it. It has a very nice smell to it. It smells like sweet, like the sweet you used to have like when you were kids, and it looks like it. So that's how it looks. I'm going to be using this to prime my face today. Ooh, okay. So guys, this is actually my first time trying it, so I can't tell you guys if this is any good. So maybe in my next video, if I use it again, I'll tell you guys how it works underneath my makeup. So yeah, it's actually tacky, which is good, which means foundation is gonna stick to it, just like the Nivea Men Post Shave Balm Sensitive that Nikki tutorial told us about. It's actually tacky, guys. That's good so far. So for foundation today, I'm not going to be trying any new foundation because I haven't done any shopping lately. But today I'm going to be going back to my Elizabeth adding Intervene foundation. This is how it looks. I really love the finish of this foundation, so I decided to come back to it. I'm going to be using a Kibiki brush to apply it on first. Ooh, fucking thick. Okay, just gonna apply it on first with my brush, and then I'm gonna go over it with my beauty blender if it's necessary, if there's any brush line. From what I'm seeing so far, there's no brush line, so I don't think I would go in with my beauty blender. I really like the consistency of this foundation. It's really thick, and the color is actually like dead on my shade. Like other foundation I have is either it's too light or too dark, and then we finesse it a bit with concealer. I feel this one is actually like dead on my shade. So I'm happy with this foundation, that I'm gonna tell you guys. And of course I did a review as well. If you guys want to watch the review I did, I would link that in the description bar below as well. So to conceal my under eyes, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my jaw, today I'm going to be using my 007 Catwalk concealer. I told you guys this concealer is very, I don't want to use the word cheap, it's very inexpensive. And the funny thing is the way this foundation, this concealer feels when you use it, I can't believe it. It's amazing. Like, for the price, it's beautiful. You see what I'm saying? Feels like I'm using like one next up high-end product, but it's not. It's amazing. I love it, the concealer, and I highly recommend it if you guys want good coverage as well. But unfortunately, the darkest they have is medium. So if you are darker than me, babe, they might not have your shade. I'm hoping W7 goes a bit darker in their range of colors, because their products are amazing. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I love W7 so much because I get the expensive look without having to spend much money. This is why I like them so much, and their formula is amazing. To cream contour today, I'm going to be going into my Stila corrector stick, and this is in the shade Tan. Blend. So now we're gonna do my jaw line quickly. Okay, and then do the other cheek. Okay, so now we are moving on to setting our under eye concealer. I'm gonna be using my Too Faced Cocoa Powder foundation. That's what it looks like, and it's in the shade medium. Lately I decided to stop baking my under eyes because I noticed that our under eyes are quite delicate, and baking your under eyes is going to leave your under eyes really dry, and I have a very dry skin as it is already. So I decided to stop baking my under eyes. So what I do, I just set it and just move along. So I'm just going to set my under eyes quickly to prevent my concealer and my foundation from creasing. So now I'm going to be using this just to give me a cheesy contour. So I'm just going to go straight line right there, like so. Color back to our face. Okay, I'm scaring you guys with the color I'm using. Don't worry. And now we're going to quickly set our cream contour with bronzer, and I am going to be using another Too Faced product. This is the chocolate bronzer. I am using medium dip. This is what it looks like right here. So to set the whole of my face today, I am using my Becca Perfect Skin Mineral Powder Foundation. Setting the whole of my face with this and bringing color back onto my face. The whiteness is going, the brownness is coming back for those of you who were scared. A bit of something in my inner channel area, like I don't know, I feel naked without something in my inner channel area. Okay, I'm gonna be picking up this white shimmer right here in my Claris Cosmetics palette, and I'm gonna be placing this just in the middle of my like my tear duct area. I'm going to be finishing up my face with my NYX finish spray, and this is their dewy finish finishing spray. I'm going to shake it and I'm going to spray my face. Ooh, it's so cold. Ooh, Oh, it's freezing. My face is still a bit damp. I'm gonna be going into my Pixie highlighter and contour palette to highlight my face. I want to go for this pinkish highlighter today. Yes, mama's in the mood for a pink highlight today. That's what I'm going to be using. Oh, I scratched it. Why am I breaking all my products today? I don't even understand it. I think this one is called, is it Boss Lady? Okay, it's an interesting name for an highlighter. Just gonna grab a bit of my brush. Ooh, baby, come through. I'm an highlighter freak, guys. You have no idea. I go crazy for highlights. That's why I always look oily. Like, I use so much highlight. It's so bad. I'm gonna add a bit to my chin. And then my cupid's bow, our forehead. I don't want to use too much of my forehead today because my hair be shining from a distance. Bridge of my nose. I normally use my finger, but I'm going to be using this brush today. Here we go. My finger came into play at the end of the day. Now I'm going to be moving on to our mascara. So I'm going to be going back to my W7 Absolute Mascara. This time around I'm going to be applying it to my bottom lashes. So here we go, baby. So because we have a very bold eyes going on today, I want to keep the lips neutral, like a nude kind of lips going on. So I'm going to start by lining my lip with my Kiko lip liner. This is in the number 710. So for my lips today, I'm going to be going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Ashton or Ashton, I don't know, guys. Comment in the comment box below and correct me. I really don't know what it is. If I'm the one pronouncing it wrong, it's Ashton or Ashton, I don't know. Placing this just all over my lips. Okay, I'm gonna go into my white liquid eyeliner just to make the middle look a bit more brighter than it is. I don't like that looks like this. So guys, I'm gonna finish up my face one last time with my NYX Dewy Finish face spray. Shake. Oof, it's so cold. And guys, this is the finished look right here. Before we jump into the slow motion, don't forget to subscribe. I'm also gonna still remind you guys in the intro and in the outro, so don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you enjoy it as well. And let's get straight into the slow motion as usual.